Eighth question. Two spheres x and y are spinning with this same rotational kinetic energy. Same rotational kinetic energy, which means what? Which means kinetic energy of rotation of x is equal to kinetic energy of rotation of y, which means half ix omega x square is equal to half iy omega y square. Okay. The moment of inertia of x is ix and that of y is y. Okay, iy. The angular momentum of this. See, when kinetic energy is given, how do you find angular momentum? Angular momentum and kinetic energy are related by the expression kinetic energy is equal to Lx square divided by 2ix. Hey, how do I know this? If you ask me this question, see, if you get confused in the rotation chapter, if you are not getting the formula appropriately, then what you do is remove that angular rotation. Okay, and then you ask, how is kinetic energy related to momentum? What is the answer you get? We know that kinetic energy is related to momentum by p square divided by 2m. Many times you have used this one, right? So therefore you are going to use this one. Now what you do is you say, I'm going to put the angular over here. So what is angular? Instead of p, I'm going to replace it by lx. Okay, and instead of m, I'm going to replace this by ix. Right? That's what I'm going to do. So now what does it say? This kex equal to key. So therefore I will now write this expression as Lx square divided by 2ix is equal to Ly square divided by 2iy. Right? This 2 and this 2 goes away. And then what else he needs? He needs Lx by Ly. I need. I'll pull this Lx and Ly downwards over here. Lx by Ly whole square is equal to Ix divided by Iy. In other words, Lx divided by Ly is equal to square root of Ix by Iy. So, which is the right answer? Root of Ix by Iy, answer is E. Okay.